So you're thinking of buying a home. We're so excited for you. This is an amazing journey. You're going to have times of stress. You're going to have times of anxiety. You're going to have times of frustrations. But you're also going to have tons of excitement, tons of joy. And at the end, you're going to feel accomplished and proud. Hi, I'm Gabe, and I'm with Sold by Gabe and the Greater Downtown Keller Williams Realty. We would love to embark with you on this journey, help you navigate the process of purchasing a home. Whether it's your first home, your 15th home, every purchase is different. And we understand that, and we're here for our clients. We're here to help them not just navigate, but understand that they're choosing a home, and we're here to help them find the right one. So as you begin the search and begin this journey, please think about us. Reach out to us. Ask us how we would be able to help you. At the end of the day, we're here to serve you, not the other way around. So, again, this can be your first home. This can be your 15th home. We're here for you. We're here to help you. At our team, we help people not just navigate through the process of purchasing a home by showing you homes. I've been a licensed general contractor in the state of Tennessee for almost a decade now. And I'm still licensed. I understand homes. I understand structure. I understand foundation. And I can help you in picking your home. I can tell you things to be aware of. And I can also tell you when there's things that look bigger than they actually are. Having spent almost a decade now in investment property, we understand the Chattanooga market. Which leads me to the next point. We don't just sell real estate. We sell Chattanooga. We love this city, and our exclusive team has been handpicked to not just serve you, but to serve the city of Chattanooga, a city that we all love, that we're all passionate about. This city for us is not just another place to live. It's the place to live. We enjoy the lifestyle. We enjoy the community. We enjoy the friendships. We're so excited to be able to be part of this journey with you. And most importantly, we're so excited to be a part of Chattanooga. We enjoy real estate. We enjoy what we do. But most importantly, we enjoy where we live. So if you're interested in looking for the perfect home with someone who has a lot of experience, someone who's been around the industry for years now, please feel free to give me a shout. My phone number will be on the screen. That'll be my cell. Call me directly. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Again, it's not just to navigate in finding a home. It's helping you navigate for the home. We thoroughly would love to be able to partner with you. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for visiting our open house. It was really exciting to meet you, and it was really nice to see you there. Thanks.